Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to fix YouTube on your iPhone 4S or even your older iPad. You may encounter this problem where it say error loading and tap to try, but it doesn't work. Now let me show you how to fix it. With this method, you need to jailbreak your iPhone 4S or your older iPad. For like if you are on iOS 9.3.5, you can avoid my previous tutorial on how to jailbreak on this version, and I will link the video in my video description. With this one, I am on 9.3.5. Now to fix YouTube, you need to go ahead and install iFile, where you can just install from Cydia after jailbreak your device. Now on Cydia, you're gonna go ahead and go into search, and you can search for iFile. It is right there on the top. Now all you have to do is just go to here, hit on modify, and then install. But I have already installed it, so it's show the reinstall button. All I have to do is just hit on it and then confirm. Now you have to tap on return to Cydia. After that, you will find iFile icon on your home screen. Go ahead and open it. Then from here, if you stay on document, just hit on the left side here to go to all the way back to the first page. This is the first page. Now scroll down. You're gonna go to var, and then we have containers, and then we have a bundle. Now hit on application, and then you're gonna find a YouTube folder, and if you don't know which one, you need to check one by one, but for me it is going to be here. If I tap on it, you're gonna find youtube.app. Now hit on that folder and then scroll down. You have to scroll down until you find info.place and hit on it. Now you need to view in property list viewer. From here, you're gonna change the version. So we have like, you need to change with these two. So this one, you need to change to 14.17.10. I'm gonna go ahead and type 14.17 and then .10, and you need to do the same thing on the other one. So you need to change to 14.17.10. And after you go back, you're gonna find something like I did here. So make sure it is exactly the same, just like I did on the screen here, and then hit on done. Now after that, you need to close iFile from multitasking and including YouTube, and make sure you close them from multitasking. Now go ahead and go back into YouTube. Then you should be able to see YouTube is fully working here. Now let me go ahead and go to search and show you it is actually working. Let's watch this amazing video. Now you can see it is working as it's supposed to. And from here I can also select the quality as well. Let's go ahead and go into 1080p. Let's see in full screen. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.